Well, g'day. Even though you cannot see shit at night, I'm going to show you this U-Haul truck. It is just crazy. This thing is dinged. Oh, mother of God. This is a 99 GMC T something, whatever it is known as. $159,000 miles. It is just dinged. Do you know how bad this thing is? You gotta rev it high just to get into second gear. You gotta do many other things just to get into gear. My dad's trying to park it and we're not moving. We're helping our uncle move. We get into reverse. Clunk! Does really bad clunks. Mother of God. Well, 454 in it. She has all the power she needs. I like the speedometer design. Sadly, it came with an aftermarket radio, and so, oh, this is what I like. The key comes out. I gotta see it from my point of view. Key is right there. You can even try to see it. Look, I have the keys. Yeah. Well, enough starting it and turning it off. Nice horn. Well, folks, let me just put up these windows. I hope you guys enjoyed this startup of this U-Haul truck. It has 160,000 miles in case I forgot to mention. So, take care, guys.